guys, welcome back. It's Shelby, and today we are doing something a little bit differently. We are going on a trip to try something new, which I do every once in a while on this channel, but it is my friend's birthday party, and she found this place where you can go and like throw axes, like you rent out lanes, kind of like bowling, only instead of throwing bowling balls, you're throwing like axes at targets on a wall. So excited for that. Did not know that was a thing, but like, how cool is that? So obviously I'm dressed up a little bit differently, mainly because it's a party and you know, we're throwing axes. So I've got these like cute little crystals next to my eyes. I don't know if you can see those, but I'm like super excited to be throwing that back to like middle school or high school or whenever I last did that. I have some lovely pink hair extensions in my hair, which I'm kind of obsessed with, and I only ever wear when I'm going out because they're not really a day-to-day office thing. And then I have what I am absolutely 100% convinced is the best outfit to wear while you're holding or throwing an axe of all time. And that is a hoodie that says Cupid Psycho. So yeah, whatever. I think that's super funny, and with the hair and the makeup, I'm just ready for a really awesome fun night, and I wanted to bring you guys along with me if you haven't checked out throwing axes yourself like I have not. So yeah, I wanted to show you what it's all about and take you guys along. So here we go.
So here are the lanes for the axe throwing. A couple of them look like that, and then there are two that are just like these numbered tree stumps, and I was pretty excited. I'm going to be in this one and ready to get going. Started off really confidently. Check out that throw. I thought I was in for a night of being an axe throwing absolute champion, not even gonna lie. But those hopes and dreams were quickly squashed when I realized that beginner's luck is definitely a thing and I cannot throw axes for anything. Lots of enthusiasm, not a whole lot of great results, but definitely fun and willing to give it a try. Unfortunately, you can see, yeah, just not great at it. I really wish I was, so I decided to change lanes and see if that maybe would help. And I did get lucky a little bit, but yeah, for the most part, not so much. I will say though, at least my axe never flew back at me like it did in some of those other YouTube videos. It was totally safe the whole time, so at least I got that going for me.
So I'm back. That was seriously awesome. Let me know down in the comments if that's ever something you've tried or would try, or if there's one near you, or if you have good suggestions kind of similar to that that you've done before that you think would be cool to check out. I would love to hear about that. Thank you guys so much for coming along and watching. I'd love to see you here again soon. Bye for now.